What if the secret to reversing aging isn't locked in a lab somewhere, but already inside your body? What if it's something you can tap into right now? Scientists now believe aging isn't just inevitable, it's hackable. In other words, aging is a process you can influence, control, even reverse. In this video, I'll show you 3 science-backed ways to turn back your biological clock from your cells to your skin. You'll want all 3. Yet, scientists can actually measure the toll they took on your cells. As you age, your cells accumulate damage and wear and tear, which alters their structure and function. You can see it happening under a microscope. Senescent cells release inflammatory molecules that weaken your skin's protective barrier and boost melanin production. It's kind of like the helper molecule of your cells. NAD+ helps convert food into energy. It also plays a key role in DNA repair and cell signaling. But here's the catch: NAD+ levels decline as we age, leading to cellular dysfunction and disease. They also happen to be one of the keys to longevity. It's been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, as well as the ability to activate sirtuins. Studies suggest that resveratrol can improve heart health, reduce inflammation, and even increase lifespan in certain organisms. But here's where things get interesting. Resveratrol activates sirtuins by mimicking the effects of calorie restriction without the need to actually restrict calories. Cellular aging can be slowed or reversed by targeting senescent cells, boosting NAD+ levels, and activating sirtuins. By understanding how these processes work, we can develop new treatments for age-related diseases and improve our overall quality of life. This means we could potentially enjoy the benefits of calorie restriction, like increased lifespan and reduced inflammation, without having to change our diet. So if aging isn't a one-way street, what else have we been wrong about? What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. Sirtuins are activated when we restrict the amount of calories we consume, essentially putting our metabolism into a kind of energy-saving mode. And be sure to share it with your friends for more science that rewrites reality. Check out this video next. But it turns out we can activate sirtuins another way, too, with a specific molecule called resveratrol. It's like an old car that's lost its ability to run smoothly. This leads to wrinkles, age spots, and sagging skin. But the potential benefits are definitely intriguing. One way to boost sirtuin activity is through intermittent fasting, which involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. Another method is through exercise, which has been shown to activate sirtuins and promote longevity. So there you have it. By combining intermittent fasting, exercise, and a healthy diet, we can potentially boost sirtuin activity and reap the benefits. By targeting these cells, we can potentially reduce the signs of aging on our skin. As you can see, aging is a lot more complicated than we once thought. What was once considered the norm is now being challenged by new discoveries. The truth is, we've been wrong about a lot of things when it comes to aging, and these new findings are just the tip of the iceberg. And yes, dasatinib and quercetin have shown promise in treating hyperpigmentation and photo damage. 2. But the real game changer is the potential to eliminate senescent cells entirely. DASA and Beta are just the beginning. New research is constantly identifying other compounds that could help us live longer, healthier lives. The end result? Cellular senescence, or permanent cell death. This happens to all of us. It's unavoidable. But what if we could target these dying cells to slow down or even reverse the aging process? Turns out we already have the ability to do that through something called precursor therapy. Precursor therapy involves taking substances that are converted into NAD+ inside the body. For example, the vitamin B3 metabolite nicotinamide riboside, NR, is a precursor that can be used to boost NAD+ levels. Research suggests that increasing NAD+ levels with NR can improve mitochondrial function, enhance DNA repair, and protect against age-related diseases. Plus, it may even help with weight loss and muscle recovery. Let's get started. We can do it through diet, exercise, and yes, even fasting. Each of these activities stimulates different pathways that lead to increased NAD+ production. For example, fasting triggers a process called NAD turnover, which leads to higher levels of this essential molecule. That means you can potentially boost your NAD+ levels simply by adjusting your eating and exercise habits. And as an added bonus, boosting NAD+ levels may even sharpen your memory and make you smarter. A 2019 study published in Nature Communications found that increasing NAD+ levels in mice improved cognitive performance and increased brain connectivity. The researchers believe that this could potentially translate to humans as well, giving us a cognitive boost as we age. This video is based on groundbreaking studies from Harvard, MIT, and Stanford that found that you can slow or reverse cellular aging by targeting senescent cells, boosting NAD+ levels, and activating sirtuins. I am here to bring you the latest in science and technology that is changing our world and improving our lives. So if you like this kind of content, don't forget to hit subscribe. Now let's jump in. You know those cans of soda you drank in college? A 2018 study published in Nature Medicine identified a way to selectively eliminate senescent cells while leaving healthy ones alone. By doing so, mice were able to live longer and healthier lives without developing age-related diseases. This was achieved with a class of drugs called senolytics, which are designed to destroy senescent cells before they cause harm. One of the most promising senolytics in clinical trials is dasatinib in combination with quercetin. Dasatinib is an FDA-approved cancer drug. Quercetin is a natural compound found in fruits and vegetables. When combined, they showed remarkable anti-aging effects in mice. The idea sounds like science fiction, but it's not. But hold on, you might be thinking this has nothing to do with skincare. Just wait, here's why. Next up, we need to talk about nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, also known as NAD+. Now picture this. What if we could boost NAD+ levels to give our cells a tune-up? And guess what? We have some control over how much NAD+ our bodies produce. Finally, we come to sirtuins. These are proteins that play a crucial role in regulating metabolism, inflammation, and DNA repair. Resveratrol is a natural compound found in the skin of red grapes, raspberries, and Japanese knotweed. It's important to note that not all studies have shown positive results for resveratrol, and more research is needed to fully understand its effects on humans. So the question is, are you ready to give these methods a try and see what works best for you? We're learning that aging isn't just a natural process, it's something we can influence, control, and even reverse. The future of aging research is bright, and who knows what other discoveries are just around the corner. The possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.